His name echoed around the world, his look unforgettable. This is Hulk Hogan. Welcome to the life story of a true legend. Hulk Hogan was born as Terry Eugene Bollea on August 11, 1953, in Augusta, Georgia, USA. His mother, Ruth, was a homemaker, and his father, Peter Bollea, worked in construction. He was an only child. As a teen, he loved music and even dreamed of becoming a rock guitarist. Later, he shifted his focus to fitness and bodybuilding, and that changed his life for in 1977. Hogan stepped into the wrestling ring for the first time. But his rise to fame truly began in the early 1980s when he joined WWF, now WWE, and became a household name. In 1984, he won the WWE Championship and launched the Hulkamania phenomenon. His catchphrase, "What you gonna do when Hulkamania runs wild on you?" became iconic around the world. Hogan crossed into mainstream entertainment, starring in films like Suburban Commando and Mr. Nanny. He wasn't just a wrestler, he was a pop culture icon. Hogan married Linda Hogan in 1983. They had two children, Nick and Brooke. After their divorce in 2009, he later married Sky Daly, his second wife. His life wasn't without hardships, family drama, surgeries, and public controversy, but Hogan always found a way to return, stronger than ever. On July 24, 2025, the wrestling world lost an icon. Hulk Hogan passed away at the age of 71 due to cardiac arrest. But legends never truly die. Hulk Hogan wasn't just a wrestler, he was an era, a symbol, a movement, and Hulkamania will live forever. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe. Share your favorite Hogan moment in the comments below.